Check this out. I'm at Walmart going through what's left of the toys. And I found this here. This Mario speaker has been on clearance for like $14 for a little bit. Check this out. $4. Bam. Too bad there's only 3 of them, but it makes me wonder, what are other Walmarts doing? This is kind of like the Keurig compact machine where they just replace the tag with a regular one. Anyway, back to hunting. So I've been looking for this Etch-a-Sketch, and apparently I've been looking in the wrong spot, because I found him, and it's a good one. Secret hidden clearance, y'all. So here's what I got so far. Those things are $5. The Barbie is $6. Check this out. $11. $5.39. We got an Amazon. That is $7 each. We will take all of those. Except for that one. And always look up. I think I'm getting them. Thank you.
There you go.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, thank you. There. Awesome. Thank you very much. Can I get that other one too? Yeah. Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, I'm in the baby aisle looking for clearance, and look at that. It is an amphibious remote control vehicle. And look at that. It pays $14.63, and here it is $9. Why not, right? $5 is $5. I think I'm done here, and you know, I'm gonna have to go to another one. Shit's addictive. The Etch-a-Sketch, I just said, like, always make sure you look on the top shelf, right? Here I am. I'm ready to check out. I realized, hey, I never looked up when I got those. Look at this. I don't know how many's up there, but there's like 4 at least. Let's grab them. Yeah, we'll take those.
The game on the line, you can't fold and you can't bend. Y'all be playing it safe and I be going for the win. Remember back when they was doubting on the kid. Now they tuned in cause my game too legit. Stayed down, remain humble and I made it work. Crazy how I came out so clean from the dirt. We was using candles on the nights the lights ain't work. We ain't never going back to that and that I merged. Turn your back on me, the worst mistake you ever make. Keep my grass cut.
No way. Look at that. $3.72. Not even marked. Too bad there's only 3 of them. Let's see what they profit. Yes, sir. Four of them. Not gonna get that. Oh yeah, I was not planning on sourcing today, but I went to 2 Walmarts that are very close to me and they were popping. So we are at yet another one, third of the day, and we're gonna go in and see what's happening. No way. Make sure that that's the one. I'm pretty sure this is what we got a bunch of earlier. Yeah, it pays $11.29. And let's see. We got it $3.72. Look at that. Always look up. Now I gotta check the rest of these. So I lost the footage from the rest of that Walmart trip, but it was not terribly eventful. Anyway, I just wanted to recap and show you like what a week's worth looks like here. So that's like a week's worth of shopping. I don't know, maybe spent $6,000 or $7,000. You know, and usually that equates to like $6,000 or $7,000 profit because I try to buy things that double or more. But anyway, let me know if you want to see like more of this operation that we got here. Thanks for watching.